Hi, good afternoon. My name is Javed. So I joined Yogi Sir's classes to learn Excel, and I must say that it's a very good experience. And previously also I joined several institute to learn and experience in Excel. But compared to the other institutes, the method of teaching and then the experience which I got was very excellent with Yogi sir. So I would like to thank Mr. Yogi sir uh, for teaching me Excel in a very good manner. So before I would have say my experience in Excel is 5 out of 10. So now I can say that 10 out of 10. So thank you very much.
And how it was helps you assignments and case studies for your job criteria.
Absolutely. I mean, uh, definitely it will be very helpful for me. So the assignments which I have done along with you, so so really it's helpful, and I found myself in a very what do you call it in terms of the job which I am going to do it in future endeavor. So definitely, yeah, it will help.
Is it helpful for you Power Query in Excel too?
Yeah, absolutely, yes. Yes. For data cleaning, Power Query was very helpful, and the way you have taught me, it's excellent. Yeah.
Thank you.